Video 219, KeyEmma. And that is our keyboard emulator. We're just stubbing in the system in this video. KeyEmma is the 16th system chronologically. In dependency order, number 13. Directly beneath keymast, because KeyEmma needs to reference keymast. These are going to be tightly coupled together conceptually. So we're in the system index section. We have no constants for KeyEmma at this point in time, and we have no data for KeyEmma at this time, nor do we have any functions for KeyEmma at this time, and this is directly beneath the keymast section. We are just stubbing in where everything is going to go in this video. Here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video. We're just stubbing things in so that we can get down to writing the code where it belongs. You have been here. If you want longer description, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. This has been video 219.